coming to you from St. Andrews.
Yes, man. Welcome to St. Andrews, guys.
And this location is Hop In.
Hop In, you know?
Yeah.
We're going to be giving you a 4K tour from Hop In.
We're going to take you walk tour around the area. But relax and enjoy the tour.
Yes. Please relax back and enjoy the tour, guys.
No, God, today, no? Tomorrow. Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Hello, I already know one and one. Over there to look freshy.
Look nice
How
and
much
fresh.
are those for the alcohol? 450? 250? Okay. Huh? 2 bills? Okay, we will come back, yeah?
Yes, man. Have a nice piece of rain, you know? Yes, man. I have to be careful on this road as well because this road is very busy. You know, guys, a lot of cars you get on this road, so you have to be careful.
Yeah, some nice
Guinea.
Guinea here.
I'm getting up here, man.
My lady.
How much that time? Hold on. 150 a bag. We coming. I want to sell them.
I want to sell them?
Yeah.
So,
what you want?
we can taste it too?
Yeah, taste it now.
Okay.
Taste somebody.
I taste somebody?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we taste it then.
Taste some by.
Somebody.
Okay, put that one there. Come on.
Slide off easy. No slide off easy, but you don't sour. Alright. Now you walk up to where you come back. Yeah, when you come back, you get from here. Yeah, be careful on this road, you know.
Yeah, man. Dangerous road, you know? But so. water, you know? Just have to go over this side.
I will look for the Montana Pass. Look how no big turret is that and make that.
Get international go on the couple
Huh? I'm alright. We're going to start. Okay. Turn. That side of the
There's mango tree over the sun. It's a nice mango tree, innit?
Julie that.
Yeah, Julie mango, yeah. This one.
Oh, mine get some.
Yeah, man, Julie and East Indian is my two favorite mango. Mango. Yeah, man. I could take a climb over there.
You should have just threw it in there.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
St. Andrews is a nice place, you know?
Yeah, man. Me and look here. See who me have here?
Yes, man.
We have the original
Boss Kirk 4K travel.
Yes,
in
man.
real life, man.
Yes, man. We're doing it together, man.
Yes, man. And we got DMAC 4K World Tour over there, guys, you know?
Yes, man.
We're all doing this together, man, you know?
Yes.
In real life, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. Big up.
I just never say.
But I treat feet.
You want to go, mate?
Over this side. Them pigeon, man. Them pigeon could use for them pigeon could use for eat. Could cook them and eat them, you know. Put them on fire and roast them and eat them. God, we're still over this one. Yeah, man. People. Yeah, come through, darling. Yeah, man. Yeah. Superstar. Yeah. Yeah, man. The mountain view, everything is nice over there, so yeah.
No, over there.
Over there, so yeah.
Over the gully side there. It's nice over there, you know.
Nice over there, man.
This is the street of St. Andrew, my people. Yeah.
Nice to be in St. Andrews, you know.
Yeah. Although the sun not shine, boy, I'm telling you, it's humid.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Still get a bit of breeze still, you know.
Yeah.
And YouTube, I have to let you know something quick, YouTube. We have a music playing up, but we don't want the music, you know. That music, yeah, man. We don't own that music, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yes, man. On the street tour we're giving them here, we don't own the music, man. We don't own it at all, yeah.
Alright.
It's nice music, though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Come on, where we go? Oh man, now we be walking up this road, you know? We just kind of just stay here. Garden down here? Yeah, right on the corner. Alright, one corner there. You have to stop, let me can't record in all this music.
Yeah, the music got so much on up.
Till we pass.
YouTube, I don't want the music, you know. I don't own this music, YouTube. Thank you.
That's kind over there.
Oh, nice over there.
That's
Over there. Yeah, man.
like natural.
Yeah.
Oh, like Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Yeah, taxi man there. They big him up, you know. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, man, I yell him up.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, he was gone.
Yeah.
He run further, but he lose.
Oh, she lose.
Yeah, he run to the field. She was always a jet. She run to the field.
Oh.
Then let it fall. Then she lose. Another woman beat her.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh.
Good year. You're not going no further.
When God is coming, start right there.
So we have to go further.
Yeah.